Hey YouTube, this is second video in my motor mount series, replacing all the motor mounts on my 2008 Nissan Sentra. Yeah, so for this one, the rear torque rod, you want to probably file a little bit of the metal here like I did, and then maybe down here where this mount goes through the frame, because the clearance is really tight, and if you've been jacking the car up by this point, there might be a little warpage in the frame there, so this mount is not going to come out or go in smoothly. So I had to Dremel and file the frame a little bit. I'll paint it later so it doesn't rust, but yeah, the clearance is really tight there. So do that, and you're gonna struggle with it, but don't give up, don't let it win. Just keep fighting it and it'll come out. You'll probably have to jack up the engine a little bit here, like I did with the wood block, or not the engine, the transmission. So just get that up out of the way a little bit so it gives you more room to get this mount out. And I also filed the mount too, so because there still wasn't enough room in there. So you can just take a file and just file these down a little bit here, and that'll make it slide in there easier so you can get this done. So this is another one that might give you some trouble, especially if you have an old car with 200,000 miles on it like I do. So there's going to be rust, and this bolt here is rusty. These are fine, but that one there is going to be a problem. So make sure you spray the hell out of it with PB, and just go slow when you're taking it out. You know, don't try and zip it all out at once, because you might blow those threads out. So just you know, work it back and forth slowly, and it'll come out nice and smooth. And it wasn't rusted into the bushing sleeve like the other one I worked on, the one over here. So the one behind the driver's wheel, that one gave me all kinds of problems, but this one wasn't too bad. But you're gonna have to get a little inventive though to get it out of there, depending on how bad this section of the frame is bent. But it's not too bad. I only had to take a little off. But yeah, we'll see if this fixes some more of my vibration and rattling issues. But peace out. Thanks.